Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this reading we will see what your person is thinking about you and what are they feeling for you. So I'll be taking three cards. One, what they are feeling for you. Another one, which is the obstacle, if there is any, what's the obstacle which is inhibiting this relationship. And then the most likely action, what this person is trying to take towards you. What are they thinking of doing in the near future? Okay, so Cancerians, what is your person thinking about you? What are their feelings for you? The judgment, okay. The lover's card has popped up. Okay, so what is the obstacle in this relationship? What is holding this relationship back? The obstacle is the tower, okay. Both of them are the major cards. Okay, so what is the action your person is trying to take? What are they thinking of doing in the near future? What is, for the Cancerians, what is your person trying to do or planning to do? Okay, the Three of Wands. Okay. So Cancerians, for the feelings, we have the Judgment. So there is some major decision this person is feeling they should take, or maybe they want a second chance. Okay, so the decision has to be made. Let's see what it is about. So this person, what is this person feeling? This person is feeling that they need to take a decision. Okay, now this decision can be of wanting a second chance from you. Let's see what is this judgment here for. What is this judgment here for Cancerians person? So for the judgment, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, okay, and the Two of Cups. So as far as this person's feelings are concerned towards you, this person wants a second chance from you. This person, they have spent time. I think both of you are alone right now, both, or at least if not physically, emotionally, both of you are spending time alone. Both of you are taking a break from each other. I'm saying even if you are staying together, then still you are being single. Okay, focused only on yourself, not talking too much to the other person. It's something like that. So definitely taking a break from the relationship. Both of you are trying to heal. I'm saying both of you. I don't know why it's coming out of my mouth, but then maybe the other, maybe it's regarding your person. Maybe you are also doing it. I don't know, but this is your person's feeling. So your person is focusing on themselves. They are healing, giving it time. Maybe they are not investing in you, but yes, they are investing in themselves. So it's a break they have taken from this relationship. With the Six of Swords, they have taken the break because they are working on themselves. This person is working on letting go of the past. Okay, so whatever has happened in between both of you, this person is trying to leave it behind, forgo and forgive, and wanting a commitment from you. They are moving, wanting to have this relationship once again to flourish. Okay, this is what they are feeling towards you. So they want to have a second chance from you, Cancerians. Excuse me. The obstacle here is the Tower. So something has happened unexpectedly in this relationship. Something has shaken up the foundation, or if not the foundation, but something has happened suddenly which has caused this turmoil or this tension, which is causing an obstacle in this relationship to move forward. Let's see what is this Tower about. So for the Tower, as the obstacle, we have the Four of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. So we have the Four of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. So since it is an obstacle, what I feel is that yes, somebody here, it's the obstacle in the relationship. So though a lot of healing is going on, but what I feel is that in spite of the passion being there, there nobody is making a move. That's what I feel. So maybe even the passion has been lost. It can be that because of this Tower. Even if it was there, it is not as much as it was before. Okay, and because of this lack of passion, because of whatever has happened right now, the obstacle here is that the person is focusing on healing themselves and not making a move. So nobody is taking a step forward. That is the obstacle here. The passion has been killed or diminished. Even if it was there, but it has shaken up this tower or this fight, whatever has happened between both of you unexpectedly. This has diminished the passion in this relationship. The focusing on yourself, trying to heal, trying to come out of it, and not making a move. So nobody's making a move forward, nobody's taking a step forward, and that is the obstacle. Okay, and as the near future action is the Three of Wands, so this person is waiting. They are waiting for their ships to come in. They are waiting for the right opportunity, the right timing, or even ships to come in. I said, if they are turning their back, they are wanting a second chance. But if you say no, then it's like they need to turn their back and move forward, and then they'll be waiting for the next right opportunity or the right time to move on. So it can be that the person is on the verge of turning their back to you, but since they are not wanting to do it, since they are wanting a second chance, maybe you are saying no then. Let's see what this Three of Wands is all about, Cancerians. Why is this Three of Wands here in the actions this person is thinking of taking? So for the Three of Wands, we have the Six of Pentacles, again the Three of Wands, the Five of Swords. So Cancerians, what I feel here is there has been a fight, some manipulation, some fight, some argument, something has happened, something is wanting to have their own way perhaps, or something is causing that agony or that heartbreak again and again. Something is tickling their mind again and again, and because of that, with the Three of Wands again being there, I think this person is just on the verge of moving, or they have actually turned their back from you, or that is what they are thinking of doing in the near future. But with the Six of Pentacles, I think they may try a little bit. So with the Six of Pentacles, some balance can be restored. So what I feel is maybe they show a small gesture to balance this relationship, and if it is not done, then this person will walk off. What I am trying to say here is that if you really want this person in your life, then do not expect a big apology, do not expect something great. Even if this person shows a small inclination of I should say patch up or coming back to you, just grab it if you want it, otherwise you may lose the person. Okay, so yes, the movement from their side will not be, it won't be a great gesture. It may be a very small gesture. It has to be taken wisely and timely. If you don't take it wisely and timely, then you may have to lose this relationship, Cancerians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.